The next thread that we are going to draw is the knuckle thread. Okay, and for the knuckle thread the specifications are small d, okay, that is the depth of the thread is equal to 0.5 p, and radius r is equal to 0.25 p. Okay, so again we are going to assume that pitch as equal to 40 mm. Okay, taking pitch as 40 mm, depth d equals to 0.5 p as per the relations. So it is 0.5 into 40, that is equal to 20 mm. So depth of the thread we have to take for 20 mm. And now radius. As we know that knuckle thread is round at the top and the bottom. Okay, so it is radius is equal to 0.25 p. So 0.25 into 40, that comes out as 10 mm. So knuckle thread is also a modified version of square thread. Okay, we have to remember this. Now, as far as uses are concerned, wherever more wear and tear, okay, so we use the knuckle thread. So in the examination, mostly in competitive examinations, this type of question comes. Okay, so in this type of application, which thread you will use? Okay, so you have to remember this. So examples are coupler of the railway carriages. So railway bogies, jo. The next example is electrical bulbs. So now we will draw the knuckle thread. So again draw a line of 120 mm. So with the help of scale, draw a line of 120. Okay. Now divide this line as per as previous practice. So at a gap of 4 centimeter or 40 mm, we will mark first, that is the pitch of the thread. Okay. So when we are marking this pitch 40 mm each, sorry 40 uh, 40 mm each. So at the same time we will mark the midpoints, that is at 20. Okay, so 20 over here, again 20 over here, and again we have further marked 10. Okay, because the radius that we have calculated, it is 10 mm. Okay, so mark these points on the line. As we have calculated the height as 20 mm, okay, so that is the depth that we call. So we will mark over here at the pitch points where 20 mm, and from this end also 20 mm. Okay, so on the both ends. So 20 mm. Now just draw a very light line to mark the height. Okay, so in this way. So now at the pitch points we will draw the verticals. So over here and over here. Okay, so after marking the verticals at the pitch, so we will mark further at the midpoints, that is at 20. Okay, so here also draw verticals, very light line first. Okay, in this way. So now take the midpoint of this line vertically. So this is over here and this is over here. Okay, and draw the line at a height of 10 mm. Okay, so very light line. Now using the compass, take the 10 mm arc and on the pitch line draw a semicircle like this. Okay, similarly from the next point continue it So like this. Okay, so this thing you have to do in continuation. Again from here, take it like this. Okay, and complete it up to here. Again from the next point, join this, continue it like this. Okay, and again from this and continue it like this. Okay, so now just extend this portion. It's up to you, you can draw only 2 threads. Okay, so now you do the dimensioning. So this radius, okay, this is r. Okay, so this is the pitch, p, and this is the depth, d equals to 20. Okay, this is d, this is p, this is r. Okay, so these are the specification. Now you have to do the hatching. So do the hatching over here. So in this way our knuckle thread drawing is completed.